Welcome back to John's Garage. Today is an upper body day. We're going to mix it up a little bit, so stay tuned and I'll see you after the workout. Let's get it in. Doing a lighter workout, trying to do a traditional workout more so, as far as like 3 to 4 sets, trying to get higher reps and shorter rests in between. I'm also about to jump into this little circuit after my shrugs. I'm going to do like dips, pull-ups, dips, pull-up. I'm going to try to do at least 10 to 12 reps on each one of those exercises. So no rest in between, just going back and forth. My rest is when I'm going to the next set. So my 3-minute break is almost over, and let's get back to it. Alright guys, I'm about to do the circuit. It's going to go from dips to pull-ups, and I'm going to do 3 sets non-stop. And I'm even taking a shorter break in between from the shrugs to the next exercise. Normally I do 3 minutes so I can have a nice full recovery, but I'm just going to cut it off to between 60 to 90 seconds and jump right into this next exercise because I'm trying to get as much done as possible. Alright, let's get back to work. Yo, I burnt out on that one. I couldn't finish that. I couldn't finish that last set of the pull-ups. So we're just gonna keep on moving. You do what you can. As long as you're making progress and as long as you're having fun, it'll motivate you to keep working out. All right, let me catch my breath. Yo, that little circuit was fatiguing. That ab circuit, just non-stop. I can feel it in my hip flexors, just fatiguing, but taking my little break right now. We're gonna move on. I'm trying to get as many different exercises in as possible for this 70-minute workout. All right, let's keep it moving. inclines is pretty tough. I really don't go too heavy because I know that I might need a spot, and that's not the best workout station over there. So I struggled and I couldn't lift up the weight, so I had to recover my energy and push it on up. And then for punishment, I made myself do another set. So I'm just working hard, guys, trying to level up. All right, guys, I got about 17 minutes left. I'm going to try to do 2 more things, and that's it. You know, I got a lot in today, and I'm happy, but hopefully I might be able to squeeze a 3rd thing in. We'll see. Let's get to it. was a great workout. I got a lot done today. A lot done. I actually did more exercises targeting different parts of my upper body, which I'm very happy about. And I switched it up. You know, you got to switch things up every now and then. Normally I'm doing a lot on the bench, but I cut that down a little bit and went for something more traditional, 3 to 4 sets, and trying to get about 8 to 10 reps in if I could. And I didn't meet that mark, but I was able to do a lot, so I'm happy with that. And I was happy with the actual amount of exercises that I accomplished today. So I want you to continue to come on this journey with me as we level up together in John's Garage. I want you to like this channel. I want you to subscribe to this channel and click the notification icon. Don't forget to share this channel with your friends. Also, follow me on Instagram as we level up together in John's Garage. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take it easy, my friend.